Hello cool dudes! Today I'm gonna teach you how to build a Lego accessory shops for your minifig. So first, since this has all types of stuff, we're gonna start with the hair. So keep the hair. All you have to do is get a hair piece from your minifig and then 3 studs and 4 1x1 bricks, and then just add the hair on top. Now once you add it, just keep it for the side. Next, you need to build a cap holder. So for this, you just get a cap and then add one stud and then add one, and then you add 7 1x1 bricks and clip them together. Okay, like that. Now keep that for the side. Now you're going to build the dress for your minifig. So to build that, what you have to do, you have to get this 1x3 brick, and then 6 of these 1x1 bricks, and then one of your favorite dress for your minifig. So then you just attach that, and the head piece goes like that, and you keep that for the side. Then for your accessories, I had a light bulb, like a torch I got from a police set. So what I'm gonna use that is I'm gonna since it has like this really small hole which is able to be attached by this whole thing, I got one of this, and I got four of these 1x1 bricks, and I just attach this and I just keep it for the side. Now to build the shoe, all you have to do is just so all you have to do to build the shoes are take 1 2x2 brick and another 1x2 brick, and then 2 studs and 2 slopes, and then you just have to put them like this. Then once you build the shoes, for the shoe rack, you just have to take this green plate, which is 4x6 plate, and then this really big plate that you have. So then you just attach this like that, and that goes there. And then you have to just add this 1x2 really big piece into here, like that, and then you just have to clip them on top. Done. So then now to build the base and hold all of these stuff, what you have to do is get a 2x10 piece and a 2x8 piece, and then this flat piece which has a dot on it. So all you have to do is connect this like this, and then the shoe fell off. I guess we'll put the shoe at the end. Then you have to add this like that, and then you just clip this like that. So now you can add all of your stuff like that. This one will go here, this one will go here, this one will go here, and I just have to add these shoes. See now you have a cool accessory shop for your minifigs. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe and like at the bottom of my videos. Bye.